Oh no, did your stomach just roar like a lion? Don't worry, you're not alone. So why does your stomach growl when you're hungry? It's all about your digestive system getting ready for action. When your stomach and intestines are empty, they start making room for more food. Your brain sends a signal causing muscles in your digestive tract to contract. These contractions mix food, gas, and liquids together, and guess what? That's what makes those growling sounds. But it's not just hunger. Your stomach can also growl when you're nervous or even just bored. It's like your digestive system's way of saying, hey, don't forget about me. So next time your stomach decides to speak up, just remember, it's totally normal and happens to everyone. Now you've got the science to back it up. Stay curious and keep those snacks handy.